Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G23. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display in this menu. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can make changes in lock screen preferences, like privacy on lock screen, add text on lock screen, enable or disable show wallet, show device controls, control from lock device, double line clock, and wake screen for notifications. Next, we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, and also we can enable screen attention function. Then, we can change display size and text size, enable or disable bold text and high contrast text. Then we can enable or disable dark theme and also schedule it. Same with nightlight. Also you can change nightlight intensity. Then we can change colors of the display and color temperature. Next we can change display refresh rate between auto, 60 Hz and 90 Hz. And next we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, screensaver, lift to wake, ambient display, 3-finger screenshot, and quick capture. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.